Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. So today, a little bit of a different video for me. I'm going to be unboxing and sharing the brand new to me, Galen Leather Co. notebook. It's called the Everyday Notebook, and it is a Tomoe River Paper. So I wanted to share this with you. Join me for the fun, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I'm back. Let's do this, you guys. So a couple things. It came in this box, beautifully packaged, right? I'm gonna take it out and show you what it looks like inside. It came with all of these freebies, so I'm gonna go through this with you guys right now. It came with a zipper pouch, a thank you note, lemon refreshing towel, okay, Turkish coffee, which I love, 0 sugar added. Then I have a little Leather Co. sticker. It's like on a very nice paper. A coupon code. The Evil Eye. How interesting. So they have included that. And then a card. So all of that was included in this purchase. These notebooks are not as expensive as I was expecting them to be, but they're also not very cheap. So let me go through that with you right now. Okay, so this notebook is the size of A5. And like I said, it is the Tomoe River Paper in A5 size. I'm just gonna gently cut through the foil. It is $32 prior to shipping. Oh, it has magnetic cover. That's insane, you guys. Okay, so it comes with a few things. Let me pull this out. So first of all, how stunning is this? You can just store it. It comes with a grid and a lined what are they called? Grids, guidelines. So, and it does have a leather pad for writing, so it doesn't go through. This feels so luxurious and pretty. I picked a black one. I believe there's other colors. I think there was a red one possibly, and they do have other sizes. So very thin paper. It has 200 sheets, 400 pages. It is 52 GSM white paper. That means it is so thin, you guys. So that's why they include the pad. But if you put this behind, you have like a full grid, so you can do whatever you want. So both of these will go through, and like I said, it is so thin. So one of my subscribers suggested some of the other planners that use this type of paper. I did not want to commit to a full planner because I have so many already, and I'm kind of stuck in my ways when it comes to the planning stuff. However, the journaling part, I don't mind doing it in different styles and in different like medias. So that's why I decided to do this one. And like I said, it has so many pages, but it's also so thin. So I am going to be trying this out. And it only has like a black tiny page in between. And then that's all it is. And on the back it says the Galen Leather Co. of 400 pages. It's 14.8 by 21 centimeters. It's blank and it's made in Turkey. So it says this notebook uses Tomoe River 52-gram white paper. So, but like I said, it comes with all of these perks. is when you put this, the impression of your writing will not go onto this page. So they include that and the two guides, which is quite nice. So this is a 10mm line and a 7mm line and 5mm graph paper. So like I said, that is super nice to have because it is very useful when you are doing a brand new page. So I'm gonna probably give this a shot. I don't know if I'm going to stick to it. I'm not used to this thin of a paper. So if there's too much ghosting, I might not be able to survive that. But hopefully I will. And like I said, they do include quite a few goodies, including this evil eye keychain, which is super cool. Yeah. So it says Galen Leather, founding 2012, is in Istanbul. We are two people. Our journey started as a hobby, making some small leather goods. Remember, our first good is very small, simple journal cover. And now it's our regular job. We love working with all the natural aging materials like leather, brass, and wood. Galen is a name of our favorite precious stone. Also, Galen, known as a famous philosopher named Claudius Gallienus, who was born in Pragman, present-day Turkey city of leather. Okay. Yeah, so that's the story behind this. And then they explain what the evil eye protection means, which is also nice. So like I said, that's all I have for you guys. Let me know if you guys have tried this company and this notebook. I know there's so many Tomoe River Paper notebooks out there. This is my first one ever. Like I said, I've never was going for such a thin paper prior to this, and I'm normally not a shadow person, so I do not like shadowing or bleeding or anything like that. So we shall see how I cope with this. However, whenever I watch like Hobonichi and Sterling Ink and a couple other companies that use this paper, I'm very intrigued in how beautiful it looks and how much you can pack into this notebook because of the thin paper. So very, very intrigued to try. Let me know what you guys would like to see in this journal, and I see if I can comply. But yeah, this is stunning. It feels very good, but like I said, knowing that this is 400 pages is pretty insane. It does lay flat, you guys. That's amazing. Okay, let's see the first page. Okay, yeah, so pretty flat for as many pages as it is. So that's a pretty big concern for a lot of you. I really don't care. I mean, my current one is a Lewistrom 1917, and that one was supposed to lay flat, and I think it does. Yeah, it does, but look how chunky it is. Like, it cannot even close anymore. Like, look at this. Yeah, so it is the same size. So I don't know if I would even be able to use the same stickers as I do in here, because this is barely, I think it's like 250 pages, and this is 400. So I don't even know, because look at the difference in the chunk. Okay, anyway, that's all I had for you guys. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye.